Hi, my name is Callum Ross and I'm the General Manager of ProSolar, Australia's leading thermal solar pool heating manufacturer. ProSolar is part of the Boss Polymer Technologies Group, a leading rubber and plastic manufacturer, delivering connected performance solutions that provide relaxation, comfort, safety and integrity to the lives of our customers and those that connect with our products. ProSolar have been manufacturing thermal solar pool heating products for over 30 years. Our extensive range includes strip collector, rigid solar panels, auxiliary and installation components. Today we're at our Melbourne-based manufacturing and logistics facility in Mulgrave. This facility is approximately 6,500 square metres with 3,400 square metres under roof. Here we operate 5 plastic and rubber extrusion lines, 4 injection moulding machines, as well as a fully equipped post-production facility. All machinery and equipment are of the highest quality and produced and built in either Australia, Europe or the US. ProSolar are leaders in innovative co-extrusion, a process we use to manufacture our unique multi-layered solar collectors. This process allows us to manufacture profiles using multiple materials or composites. This includes creating rubber profiles with a tape backing, fabric inlay or metal reinforcement. As well as manufacturing, our Melbourne site includes a raw materials warehouse, distribution centre and trade centre, all fully stocked and equipped to meet the needs of our customers, whether they be local, interstate or abroad. Our trade centre incorporates our newly established Boss Community Hub, equipped with trade counter and easy collection drive-through. The Boss Community Hub showcases our brand new training facility and showroom. The Boss Community Hub will provide customers access to product and installation training, system design and support, together with access to wider business functions such as marketing, promotional activities, sales tools and operational support, giving our customers a unique advantage in the marketplace. At ProSolar, we work closely with our trade partners. They're our distributors, our pool and spa builders, retailers and installers to develop and grow a professional community with the common goal of enriching the lives of swimming pool owners, their families and their friends. Our community does this through offering high quality, innovative and energy efficient thermal solar pool heating solutions. Thanks for taking the ProSolar tour. We look forward to connecting with you soon.